crab. It's a lobster. That's a shark that has lips. Doesn't listen. That's a shrimp. Wow. What else is in the next page? That's a little ladybug. That's a bigger ladybug. That's an ant.
What did the sheep say? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. And what does the squirrel do? Yeah. What does the squirrel do, Aiden? That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what did the chickens say? Cluck, cluck?
What's that?
Where's the banana? Can you find a banana anywhere?
Where is the banana? Oh.
Guide him in the right direction. It is his first time seeing it. You see the banana? Do you see it? That. Oh, that's orange. Banana. Can you see the apples? That's right.
Apple.
Yeah, we have apples too. What's that? Umbrella? And where's the sky? That's right. Another beach umbrella?
It's another ladybug.
That's right. They're at a park.
He got really upset because we couldn't find a spot on the swings today. Every time we tried, they were all...
It's a feather.
Yeah.
From a bird.
From a parrot.
Yeah, a parrot. What does the parrot say? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, and what's this? Snail. That's right.
Ladybug.
What's this? Starfish. Yeah.
That's a parrot. That's a spinning top. That's supposed to be blueberry jam. That's a dried leaf.
That's random.
Yeah.
That's a sunflower. Kind of flower. And do you see the teddy bear? The blue teddy bear? That's the dog, the toy dog. Teddy bear is here. Can you say Teddy?
Teddy.
That's right. And bear? Can you say bear? The pirate? What's on the next page?
Nothing.
Oh, that's it.